Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Hello and welcome to another episode of Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be unboxing this DC Multiverse Batman from Batman Forever. This is actually the week of Val Kilmer's death, and this is the Val Kilmer Batman. And these Batman movies did have a very special place in my heart. As a child, I was one of the people that stood outside of the movie theaters, and it made the news waiting in line to see Batman movies. Obviously, it's affecting me to this day. Look, doing unboxings and a toy YouTube channel. It feels strange since it's the week of Val Kilmer's death to even have any other comparisons or action figures featured in this video, but I'm still going to bring out a couple when talking about the Batman movies. Again, this is the one, the Michael Keaton Batman that everyone would want to get their hands on. DC Multiverse has some other black suit, yellow insignia Batman that we'll eventually compare on the channel. And then again, if you don't remember, this Batman came with a Jim Carrey Riddler, a Tommy Lee Jones Two-Face, and a forgettable, what, Chris? Was that guy's name? I don't even remember. Robin. The Jim Carrey Riddler will be compared with many other Riddlers on the channel someday in the future, but just what an iconic person to be playing the Riddler. And then again, if you're just going for classic, iconic live action versions of Batman in your collection, Adam West, of course. This retro Batman is just a must-have if you're collecting live action Batman. So DC Multiverse has done us right, and if anyone that works for Todd happens to ever watch these videos, man, a Jack Nicholson Joker, I think something like that would sell. So just throwing ideas out there in the little bit of time we have left getting toys like this. All right, it's an unboxing channel, so let's get this guy unboxed. To do that, we're just gonna slice through one little circle on the bottom, and it allows us to slide everything out. Here we go. Nice. All right, we've got ourselves, ooh, look at that stand for the bat. Oh man, it came with this figure, and I didn't know that until now. How cool. And then look at that card. Sweet. Batman Forever right there. All right. Val Kilmer wasn't just Batman. The guy was in Willow. Come on. And Top Gun. What a big part of growing up for 80s kids. All right. The card. Of course, it says Bruce Wayne on the back because this is an actual Batman card. Cool, add that to the collection. It looks like, as far as this black stand, it's just a circle on a pretty large size disc. You can see compared to, okay. Let's take a look at the accessories. We can just get them all out on that piece of tape. Yeah, that's how I like to do it. This looks really similar, if you remember from the beginning of the video, to the movie logo and just the movie style. This was, Schumacher, right? Not Tim Burton, if I'm correct. People really clowned on some of the costuming at the time. All right, speaking of which, yep, the bat suit. Let's see, all right, check it out. For hands, we've got grips. And then we've got a little plastic thing covering up this. Oh, wow, I didn't realize, because I haven't looked yet for unboxing videos, and I try not to look in advance. The mouth of a moving bat. Oh my gosh. I wonder what else. Well, I do have the body. You guys just saw that with Jim Carrey, so cool. Wow, you can definitely scare somebody with that thing. Holy smokes. It's a rat. Gremlins 2. About just some intricate looking tapes from just 2 years ago. All right. Super cool. Really excited. Wow. This is what we need. All right. The cape isn't wired. See-through. Awesome. Pretty movie accurate. The only thing is maybe, of course, how they affix the cape to the body. Great articulation. Sure, you can see some pins, but whatever. Ankle. Oh, we've got the toe bend for good posing. Sweet. All right, let's try a Batman voice on our way out. And then let's take some pics of this thing. Thank you so much for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We appreciate you. We'll catch you next time. We'll catch you next time. Let's take some pics.